Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. Today I'm going to take my basil that I grew in my click and grow pots. They have grown quite a lot in the last 2 months and I'm going to divvy them up so that they can get some more space to grow. There are 3 or 4 in each one that have really grown a lot. And then there's a whole bunch that are trying to fight together to get to the light. So we're going to separate them. I'm also probably going to give them a little bit of a haircut. And we're going to transplant them from these into these 12 pod systems and let them grow this way. I picked these up from the dollar store. There are 3 cartridges of 12 each. We're going to put them in here and let them grow in here. And then come the springtime, I'm going to put them into pots and hopefully divvy them up and give them to some friends and family. And then anything else that I have, I'm going to have on the balcony. So here we go. To remove them from these little watering pods, I'm going to take the top off, just like that, and then we're just going to pull out the root system. Wow, they've actually grown quite a lot. Got some good roots going on there, and hopefully I can do my best to be able to keep these all alive and grow them individually. So I have with me my seed starting mix. This is going to be used for another purpose as well. At the next video that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be planting up seeds for peppers, because that's about the time of the year that you want to be doing them, is about right now. So I put soil in the starter pack, and now I'm going to take the basil and separate them from the click and grow start pods, and then we're going to transplant them into each individual cell. So that's 1 tray of 12. I'm going to water these in so that they don't start wilting on me, and then we'll move on to the next ones. Water them in. I'm just going to take a mister and give them a really good soak. That's probably going to be the best thing because it's such a small space to really work with. So I was able to get 5 basil plants out of this one instead of the 48 that I was predicting that I'd be able to do. So I was able to get 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 plants altogether. Thanks for coming along with me on this video today. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And look forward to seeing more, as I will be doing a lot more planting from seed. Thanks. Bye. So it's been a few days since I've done this video, and now that I'm editing it and I've actually had the plants in the soil and transplanted them. I'm kind of regretting the fact that I put them into individual cells and separated them all. I kind of wish that I put them into these pots here. So I've got 3 pots. I got them from the dollar store. I really should have just grabbed the Click and Grow starters that I had from this basil and put them into these pots. I think that would have worked a lot better. With transplanting them and putting them individually, I think that it's going to take a lot longer for the plants to actually mature, and I can actually do some cuttings from them again. Whereas with putting them into these guys, they would grow a lot faster and I would get basil sooner. So lesson learned, if you are doing this, maybe if you're doing the Click and Grow plants, put them into a bigger pot instead of transplanting them and taking them all apart and putting them into their own cells to grow them that way.